Now I just wanted to show you how easy it is to buy coins when you have USDTs. So all you need to do is go in Markets, then click Fiat Markets, select USDT, and from there you have your coins that you could buy. There's a ton of them. I think there's more than 400 of them that you could buy. Okay, so later during this training, I'm going to show you how to spot good opportunities. But for now, I just want to show you how easy it is to purchase some coins. So let's say, for example, I want to buy Bitcoin. I just need to click on this. It's going to open the price chart. And here, I can buy. Now, you can buy with a limit, or you could buy at market price. Me personally, I always buy at market price. So let's say I would want to buy some Bitcoin right now. I just need to enter the amount of USDT I want to buy and then click buy Bitcoin. And it's as simple as that. That's how you purchase coins once you have your USDTs. Please move on to the next part of the training.